Ready to make a statement in style? This Small Things chalk box makes a big impact with a quote from Mother Teresa in a fun contrast of colors. Your Small Things chalk box comes with the A-size transfer, 2 Chalkology paste singles in Peony and Honeydew, and of course the boutique board and base, one of our most versatile and popular surfaces. I'll show you how quick and easy this comes together. I've got a couple of other tools here for ease, the fuzzing cloth and a couple of squeegees, and a water bath for quick cleanup. First, I'm going to remove the base just so the board lays flat on the table. And then I'll prepare my transfer by removing the backer and pressing it onto the terry cloth side of our fuzzing cloth. This will pick up just a bit of lint, which will help gentle the stick of this brand new transfer. And then I'll get it positioned on my board. I'm leaving a little more space at the bottom since I know that's where it slides into the base. I've got it all smoothed out and stuck to the board. I'll prepare the paste by kneading the packet a bit just to make sure it's mixed well, and then tear off the corner. And I'm only going to use just the tiniest bit, maybe half of what's here, because it goes such a long way, and I'll hang on to the rest of that pack for my next project. I like to use these little dishes because they keep things tidy and the colors separate, but you could use anything for a palette surface. And I'll do the same with my peony paste, which I'll just use a bit more of this color. Now I'm using my multi-tool here because it makes it so easy to carefully chalk just the accents in Honeydew. And then I'll use my small squeegee to come back in and catch the letters. I left the Honeydew a little thicker just so it wouldn't dry while I work with Peony. And now I'll scrape the excess and just lift the top of the screen. And this will just break the seal on what I've already pasted, and that buys me a bit more time as I work my way down. Do a few more Honeydew accents, and then you'll see I'm just lifting it off again and gently laying it back down. And I know I can stick it down with my squeegee as I finish up the last bit here. Now I can peel this all the way off and drop it into the water bath for easy cleanup. And there you go! Love this quote and this awesome little board that will be a big inspiration wherever you put it, all from one great chalk box.